Hi students. Okay, in this video, so we'd like to simplify questions given to me by one of my students. Okay, let us move into the question. Okay, for this question, I need to explain a few theorem. I need to explain a few concepts for you to understand first before jump into the questions as usual, right? Okay, the first thing that I'm going to help you is I will teach you how to change of questions into a single fraction. Okay, I'll give you an example here. Let's say you have A plus B over C. I'll give you a simple idea first. Listen first. Maybe the idea is look very simple, but when you start to use it in any equations, you can move a bit fast. Okay. Now, normally class, okay, it's like this. We're going to make them as a single fraction. Actually, it's over 1, right? It's over 1. Okay, normally class, I will ask my students to multiply the denominator. Multiply the denominator. So when you multiply, it's going to be C, right? 1 times C is going to be C. After that, you're going to cross multiple. That means the C here have to times over here is going to be AC plus, and this 1 times the B over here is going to be B. Hope that you can understand this. Very simple, right? You times the bottom part, the denominator, and just cross multiple. Okay, I just take this example for you here. We have R plus 1 over S, right? Okay, it's over. Okay, it's over 1, right? Okay, you can imagine that is over 1. So the bottom part will be S, because 1 times S is going to be S. You cross multiple. S times R going to be RS, and 1 times 1 going to be 1. Okay, hope that you understand how to make them a single fraction. Understand? So I want to move on to each and every bracket inside your question to make them a single fraction. Okay, here is going to be RS plus 1 over S. Got it? And that one is going to be again RS minus 1 over S. Okay, this is S. Sorry. Okay, so the bottom one, we have another one more, is RS plus 1 over R. Okay, the last one is RS minus 1 over R S. Okay, so far you understand, right? So what I did, I changed every single bracket inside these questions into single fraction. Okay, done. Then we move to the second step. Your second step is like this. Okay, let's say you have like this AM times the BM. You see now in this indices, we can see the indices are equal. Can you see the indices are equal? If the indices are equal, we can group the base as one side, and we can put the M outside like this. Another one is like this, AM over BM. So how are you going to do? You can group the indices one side. Sorry, the base. You can group the base, and you can put as a one single index outside. Understand? So why I'm telling you this? Okay, look at this. Look at this. Can you see the index is same? So if the index is same, I can divide this one separately. I can group them separately. Okay, let me show you how to do this. So that means I'm going to use this idea. I'm going to use this idea. Okay, so let me show here first. So I'm going to do one by one. Ready? So I put one big bracket, easy for you to understand. That means the bottom one. Okay, actually I can put it here easy for you. Okay, can I put, never mind, I use it the same idea. Okay, you see, I already make it as a R1. These two I already combine, right? Already combine using this idea, this idea, this idea. Understand? Okay, so I'm going to use same idea and beside also same. Okay, this is S over here. Understand? Okay, and after that, actually you can do like this, Okay, let me tell you. Okay, let's say you have I give you an idea, but actually you can, we do separately one by one for you so that you can understand. Okay, listen, class, can I do one shot for you here? Okay, this one, this whole thing need to divide with this, right? Need to divide, okay? Need to divide, right? Okay, that means what I'm going to do here, so it's RS plus 1 over S, right? Okay, so divide, can I change the divide into times? This is actually divide, right? Divide can change into times, right? So when you divide means when you change the divide into times, so this part will be inverse, right? You still remember? So that means you can inverse this one is going to be R over RS plus 1, right? Got it? With the R outside there, still there's R outside there, this R still outside there, okay? You understand, right? Why is this is supposed to be divide, this is divide. So the divide, I can change the divide into times. So how to change the divide into times? You can inverse this part so that the divide can become times. So this is also the same idea. Actually, the both part is the same idea. If you can understand one part, the next one it should be the same. Got it? So I think you already understand the concept. So this one and this one can cut because they are equal. This one and this one also can cut equal, right? So easy, right? Okay, good. So here we only have one R over S with R. Okay. And actually, if you want to put times, up to you, like, I can put times. So this one also R over S with the S outside there. Okay, so this is the second idea of your indices. If the base is equal, we can plus the index, right? So we can plus the index. So that means the answer going to be R over S. So I can plus, this is the index. You see the base is already equal, right? You understand what I'm telling by base? So the base is here. This is your base. So this is your base. Your base is equal, right? So if your base is equal, we can plus the index. This is the index. We can plus the index here. So it's R plus S. Right? Understand? So hope that you can understand. This is the answer, class. Okay. So hope that you understand. If you have any comment, you can leave it there in my comment part. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.